Let's cook vegetable soup for the whole family. I guess they are tired of eating rice. Hello, sweetie. Welcome back to Lady V Kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's get this done for the whole family. Just a simple recipe. In a clean pot, I will add in red oil. Next, I will add in vegetable oil. Over here, I have already cooked beef and chicken. I'll just trim it out from the stock, then add it inside the hot oil. I'll just fry this for just 5 minutes. I'll take it out from the oil. 5 minutes later, the meat has fried. Now I will just trim it out from the oil. Over here, I have a pepper mix. I will just process the pepper with my food processor. So now it's done. I will turn it over inside the hot oil. Our today hug goes to Chizzy Emmanuel, watching all the way from Ghana. Thank you so much for loving the recipe. Don't forget to share. Thank you. Next, I will add in grounded crayfish, all-purpose seasoning, salt to taste. Now I will stir together. I stir until everything gets combined. Let this to fry for 5 minutes. When we are waiting for the peppers to get fried, so next to prepare is the vegetables. I'll be making use of green, so this is the green I'm going to be making use of. I make use of the two color. This leaf actually have two color. You have the green and the red, so this is the red one. So I will just chop it in a biteable size, just like this, and then wash with clean water. So after adding it in the bowl, I will add in a little bit of salt, then add in clean water and wash. In my diary, we call this ofo, so I don't know what you guys call it in your diary. So if you know the name, let me know in the comment section. So now I'm done washing the leaf. Cooking vegetable, you need a lot of veggies, like something like this. So now all the veggies is ready. I will just add it inside the pot of soup. So this is the first batch. I will cover for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is the pot of soup. So now I will open and give it a little bit of stir. If you haven't shared this recipe, this is the right time for you to give it a share. Don't forget to share this post. So now we are going to add in the last batch. So this is the last batch. I will turn it over inside the pot of soup. One trick about vegetable soup is that when you are making vegetable soup, you need a lot of veggies. So at that point, you are going to enjoy every bit of it. Now I will add in some stock water, then add in the already fried meat. You know, the meat I've already fried. Now I will just add it on top of the soup, and this is going to cook for just 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, the soup has cooked. At this point, this is what I have after 5 minutes. Just take a good look at that. It's just pumping everywhere. I'll just give it a little bit of stir. Now I will add in some smoked fish, then stir together. At this point, our soup is ready, guys. Just take a good look at that. You know, this type of soup go down with anything that comes its way. Something like rice, ata and fufu. For us, the soup is going down with ata. So over here is ata. Then we are going to dig deep in on this soup. I just love and enjoy every bit of this soup, and everyone in my home enjoy this soup a lot because we are tired of eating rice in period of this festive season. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to try it for your amazing family, and don't forget to share the post. See you in my next one. Bye bye.